Well, I'm in the granite, letting it warm up, and somebody's waiting for a kiss. She helped me carry all this stuff out, and then she's just standing here waiting for a morning kiss. Okay, fine. Come on, backwards. She's headed off to work. I'm letting the truck warm up a minute or two here. The guys are headed out to go get straw at a place called Price Milling. So I'm just gonna go directly over to the sand pit and go pick up dirt, and they're headed out to the job site, and we're gonna cut this slope at a little bit shallower of an angle. So this is the demo we did in Little Rock, the house demo we just did the other day. The engineers or whoever the hell, city guys, thinks the slope is too steep and can be too dangerous, and we backfilled it with sand, and then sand would be real soft, but they're concerned that it being so steep that someone could get hurt maybe or something like that. So instead of going to a road, I guess it would be a driveway project, it's not a road. Instead of starting the driveway project today, we have to go back to Little Rock just to go do all this stuff with 3 guys, a dump truck, and a skid steer. Really annoying. They should have said something at the time instead of having us come back, but this time we're gonna go get 5 or 6 loads, and then we're gonna hurry up and backfill it, and then call them, have them come give us approval, and then we're not coming back out there again. A little irritating that we even got to go out there in the first place, but we got to make them happy for them to pay us. So for now, we'll just try and hurry up and go knock all this stuff out, and then maybe go to the driveway project afterwards if we can get done early enough. I got 3 or 4 preliminary interviews to do today with new ground hands and drivers and stuff like that, so I'm hoping to get back at a decent enough time to go meet with everybody, and hopefully we can hire a couple of pretty good hands, and then you guys as viewers are going to get a couple new characters out of it. So see how that whole thing goes. Well, we might have enough dirt. Jared's spreading straw. I thought they wanted more.
What?
More of a slope than this. Did you see anywhere kids were going down it? I figure this would be their playground now. And I got a time lapse going over there. So I'll help Jared spread some straw, and then we might be done with this by noon, the way it's going. We'll have to see. We came all the way back out here just to make this less steep. Pretty stupid. But that's what they wanted.
house is caving in. I won't go back there again. Go suffer in the bed you made. These April showers don't change a thing. Left me hungry, you left me cold. Good Lord, Heather, you've got no soul. What goes around comes back again, and I don't feel sorry for you. April showers won't save dead flowers. I've got the power and I'm moving on. April showers won't save dead flowers. I've got the power and I'm moving on, moving on, moving on, moving on. I'm moving on. April showers.
Well, the guys are hungry, so we're walking into lunch.
Move the careful. Don't shove in. You're gonna get in trouble.
So we're going into Hooters, because that's the best place to get wings and boobs. But I don't like boobs, so I'm kind of a little disappointed that we're coming here.
Whatever.
You like boobs?
I don't.
So we'll see how this lunch goes. Last time Ashley and I went into Hooters was in Louisiana, and it was awful. It's one of the worst food we've had in a long time. So we'll see how North Little Rock Hooters ends up going. So what's the wisdom of the day, Jared?
Just get money.
Don't come to Hooters if you don't like boobs.
Pretty nice.
Apparently the people here in North Little Rock want us to cut that thing out as well. But it's in there. It's concreted into the driveway section right here. And there's a fracture that goes along like that we can probably get out. But those guys are down there almost finished. My back hurts, so I'm not even helping them. Last thing I need to do is go down. My back going down again. So we're almost done getting ready to head home. Well, that's what it looks like. This slope, we cut this a lot more gently so you can go up and down it with a mower a lot easier. But still got to dig this out. So that means we got to come back again, which we were trying to avoid doing in the first place. So this kind of sucks. Well, we're at KFC. We got some chicken. 12 piece, 3 sides, $42. Crazy. But I was at the yard kind of late, getting that tarp fixed on the end dump because it's gonna pour all day tomorrow. So I didn't want to have to mess with any of it in the rain. And then I was talking with Ben about a bunch of stuff. He's the owner, kind of just taking care of things and whatnot. And we'll hopefully we'll get a couple more guys hired on. The couple of people that we're supposed to interview, man, just one after another, just they're falling off like crazy. I don't know what the deal is. They got all kinds of excuses, or they're felons, or they're drug guys. And you know, I'm all for giving a guy a second chance, a fifth chance. helping him get his life back in order. But when you don't have a license, you don't have a car, you can't even show up to an interview, you know, you really got to think, like, just, you ain't going to get the job, man. I don't know what to say to those kind of guys, because, like, I'm fine with giving someone a second chance. I've gotten in a lot of trouble in my life as well. But Jesus Christ, talk about making it hard. Because here, they have, even a laborer has to get on the insurance. They have to drive a company truck. They have to be able to bring us fuel and go and run and get parts. They might even get a company truck to take home. Don't know how that's going to work out, but they got to be able to get into the plant, and they got to be able to get onto an Air Force base, and those take very stringent background checks. And they'll still do your background as long as you don't lie about it, and everything matches up, and you're not a risk factor now. But the Air Force base is substantially more strict than that. Any felony at all, you're out completely. And the positions we're hiring for, you absolutely have to be able to get on the Air Force base if we end up getting that job. So it's a struggle finding help that can qualify for everything that we're asking to do. But you know, we're still sitting here at KFC, and we're gonna run home, eat, let the dogs out, play with the puppies for a bit, go to bed, have a little bit easier day tomorrow since it's gonna be raining all day.
Be nice.
So we'll see you guys tomorrow.